As you heard me say in part 1 of Puppy Boot Camp, chapter 2, that the rabbit that went out 600 yards. Well, this is a continuation of that video. The rabbit did make a turn and start coming back. I thought he was going to go over there and thought he was going to come back, but he is making his way back, which is a good thing. Saves me from having to drive. At least I think he's coming back. I'm pretty sure he is. Hey, what, they have been rolling him too. That is for sure. That's one old dog and 3 9.5-month-old puppies. They're making that rabbit earn his keep today. Well, they took that rabbit out to about 650 and brought him back, which is, so that's pretty good for some 9.5-month-old puppies and one old dog. That's real good. Ginger and Murphy, dude. See if they can move it on. Hello, smart right there, smart. He done got out in front of him. Maybe he crossed again, but I guess not. I'm looking that way. Go with him, Murphy. Go with him, Ginger. While they out there running, I'm gonna just give y'all a little bit of background into why I run dogs the way I do. I got a lot of guys asking me, why do you run puppies with one grown dog? The reason being is I like to put puppies with one grown dog for the simple fact of if you put them with more than one, they don't get enough of the rabbit race, so to speak. And in order to build a puppy, especially a young puppy's confidence, you gotta put him with just one older dog to build his confidence. Let him make some checks, like I said, maybe jump a few rabbits in front of the old dogs, get the front end some, and that way he can run a lot more of the track than what he would running them with 2, 3, or 4 older dogs that's just flat out dominating the race. So that's a lot of the reason why I run dogs the way I do. Like I said, everybody doesn't do it that way, but that's the way I prefer to do it, and it's worked out really good in the past because you make a better dog that way, in my opinion. I mean, some guys and gals may see it otherwise, but that's just my personal opinion. Is if you can put them with one older dog, and that way they can get a little bit of the front end, like I said, make some checks, jump some rabbits before the old dogs do. I mean, it helps build the confidence, and in the long run, that'll give you a better dog than what you would think in the long run. It helps a young dog develop more, so to speak. That was old dude. Say what's up, dude. There's old Murphy. That's Tiny and Ginger's little big brother right there. Come on, Ginger. Diva. There's Diva. That's my old female right there. Right there. She'll make a dog earn his keep around my house. That's for Ginger. There's Ginger. Murphy's little mate brother. Little mate sister, I'm sorry. I don't know about everybody else, but man, running has been tough down here in Alabama, especially for the past 2.5 weeks between the heat, dry weather. Man, it's been rough, and the baby rabbits, it's been tough. I run about 3 days a week. That's for the past, probably past 2 months, maybe 3 months. And the past 2.5 weeks have been the toughest as far as being dry, heat. Like I said, I don't know about the rest of Alabama, but where I live at here in the central Alabama, north central Alabama, man, it's been dry. We finally got a little bit of rain today, and it made for decent running there for about an hour and a half. But you can tell it still ain't the best. Dogs are struggling, and like I said, being young, having a lot of young dogs out here. I said 4 of them. Three young dogs. I'm sorry, and 1 old dog. It makes it tough on that old dog to try and keep a track going, especially when she's with young dogs that really don't know, are learning. So it makes it extra tough for her to keep a rabbit going for them. But for the most part, the run today has been the best I've had in 2.5 weeks. Somewhere in there. Like I said, I'm hoping it gets better. I hope we got a lot more rain coming in. Is what I'm hoping. Hope make the running better. But stay with us. We're gonna see if we can't get another rabbit going here shortly. That rabbit was sitting right in here, right in there. Right in there. And I was standing right over there. All I could see was his ears sticking up. Just sitting there, let the dog go right by him. But they got him now. We got rabbit race number 2. I'm thinking that was that one that I got on video swimming across. I'm about positive, but I could be wrong. But he was just sitting right there on the edge. He may decide to cross the road too. Let's get up here and see. didn't make it to the top of the hill in time, but the rabbit went in that brush pile straight ahead. I eventually seen him come out the backside. There you go, he just went out the other side. Just heard him. He went in that pile right there originally. I don't know where they digging at. Come on, here you go, 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 here you go. Get me here, Diva. Here you go, here you go, here you go, here you go, here you go. Here you go, here you go, here you go, here you go, here you go. Here you go, 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 here you go. Here you go, here you go, here you go, here you go, here you go. Get me now. Here you go, here you go, here you go, here you go, here you go. Back up. Yeah. I'm with it, Murphy. Good check for old Murph dog. Real good check.